understanding the phrase crash in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the word crash. It's a versatile word in the English language and can be used in multiple ways. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use it in various contexts. So, let's unravel the mysteries of crash together. When we think of the word crash, the first thing that might come to mind is an accident. As a noun, crash primarily means a violent collision, typically involving vehicles. For example, there was a car crash on the highway. A sudden loud noise caused by something falling or breaking. Like, I heard a crash in the kitchen. Crash is not just a noun, it's also a commonly used verb. In this form, it can mean to collide violently with something or someone. For example, the car crashed into a tree. To fail suddenly and disastrously. E.g., the computer system crashed. To go to sleep, especially suddenly or in an improvised setting. Like, I was so tired, I just crashed on the sofa. The versatility of crash doesn't end there. Here are some idiomatic expressions using crash. Crash the party, to attend a party or event without being invited. Crash course, a rapid and intense course of training or research meant to give someone quick proficiency. Crash and burn, to fail spectacularly. 1. Context is key. Depending on the sentence, crash can have different meanings. Always look at the surrounding words and the overall context. 2. Pair with appropriate words. When talking about vehicles, crash typically refers to a collision. In tech contexts, it might refer to system failures. 3. Idioms are figurative. Remember, idioms don't always have a literal meaning. So, crashing a party doesn't involve any actual destruction. Crash is a fascinating word with multiple meanings and uses. Now that you're equipped with this knowledge, you can confidently use crash in various situations. Always remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep practicing, and I hope this video has been immensely helpful. Until next time, happy learning!